look at two air conditioners, install one. She had an old air conditioner up here, and I just installed this one, and I'm going to be uploading, if you haven't seen it already, how to remove an air conditioner such as this. And what I like about these is it comes with a housing. This housing you install first. So when you take it all apart, you take the trim off and you pull the inner guts out, the whole insert I call it. Then you've got just a housing box. You have to unscrew and take that out. That's the kind, you know, when I go and reinstall, I love those kind, because then you can put the whole can, the housing in first. You don't have to, you know, muscle the air conditioner up there all in one go. I hate the kind that's all one piece and you have to lift it up there and hold your mouth just right and bolt it in. This housing, you get screwed in first, then you can take the whole guts, lift it up in there, slide it right on in. And so then I took a look at some of the other existing air conditioners. This one here, the lid was broken off it because the cleaners didn't know how to take this off properly. And here, should I show you what they do? I've got to lower the legs on here on my tripod. Boy, I was going to make this a short video. I might have to do a two-parter or something. When you take off a cover like this, you want to pull this, and then it pushes down. You have to kind of see how it slides like that. If you don't push it down, it's not going to go underneath this edge to where you can get it down this far. See, some people, if they don't get it like that, they're lifting it like this. See, and you know, and then they go and reach this and they pull on this and break off the little arm. So you have to unsnap it right here on the sides, and then make sure it's pushed down all the way, and then it swivels down. It's very simple, but you know, you try to tell that to cleaners and they're constantly breaking those things off. So when I took that old air conditioner off, I took this whole face frame off, this whole trim, mounts with a couple screws in there and stuff, and then that popped off, and then I put the other frame. This trim here was on the other one, so I fixed that, and I looked at the other air conditioner. The other air conditioner was fine, and I also went ahead and I cleaned all the fins in here because they were really super dirty. This thing was clogged by probably, I would say 40%, which then means that the air conditioner is not going to run effectively. So see, these are the aluminum fins on here, and this gets really super cold, so then the air sucks in there and then it blows out here. But when these get clogged, and you'd be surprised, there's a washable filter here. See, you take this filter out and you wash it, and then you pop it back in. But lots of times stuff goes right through this filter, and you'd be surprised at how much stuff gets blocked up in here. Take a look at yours, because once that happens, when this gets really cold, and then all the dry flakes that get caught on here, then it gets wet, like sopping wet. And then what you're doing, you're sucking the air right through all this mold and gunk on there, and then it's blowing out. First off, the air conditioner is not running properly. Secondly, if you have allergies or eye issues or anything like that, or you smell something funky in your room, it's because this is probably clogged up and it's probably all yucky, and then your air is going through that before it blows back out into your room, and then you smell that. Oh, isn't that nice?